Welcome to 𝗚𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 First, open and log in to the AS Structures program. Once logged in, go to the main menu and select Footing Design to get started. In another window, open the ETABS file, which contains the frame analysis data. This data provides essential load and structural information that will guide the footing design process in AS Structures. Now, in the ETABS window, start by selecting the base plan view. Next, choose the footings you'd like to design. Then, go to Display and choose Show Tables. Then select Analysis Result, Joint Output, Reactions, then Joint Reactions. Deselect all load patterns, load combinations, and all load cases except DL1. Finally, check this box here and press Ctrl and C to copy the data. Back in the AS Structures program, go to the Insert Reaction tab. Click the Clear and Paste button to inject the dead load reaction data copied from ETABS. Now, return to the ETABS model. Repeat the same approach as before, but this time, select DL2 under the load cases, then click OK. Next, check this box and press Ctrl plus C to copy the data. Return to the AS Structures program and click the Clear Then Paste button in the Insert Reaction tab to inject the super dead load data. Back in the ETABS model, repeat the same approach. This time, select LL1 under the load cases to capture the live load, then click OK. Click the top left box here and press Ctrl plus C to copy the data. Now, return to the AS Structures program. In the Insert Reaction tab, click the Clear and Paste button to inject the live load data. With all load data imported, we can now proceed to the design process. Start by entering the necessary parameters for the footing, then calculate the adequate dimensions. As you can see, as you modify the dimensions, the drawing updates in real time. Next, determine the critical depth and proceed to design the required thickness of the footing. Finally, specify the necessary number of reinforcements. Another feature of AS Structures is its ability to visualize critical design factors in real time. You can view the location of wide beam shear along both the X and Y axes, as well as the punching shear and soil pressure beneath the footing. Additionally, the program allows for real-time rotation and navigation of the model, offering a comprehensive, interactive view of your footing design. This feature lets you assess structural behavior effectively, enhancing both design precision and insight. Another useful feature of program is the ability to view print previews of your design. This allows you to review and verify all design details and formatting before printing, ensuring your outputs are ready for building permit requirements and documentation. The program also allows you to export your design reports directly to PDF format. This feature simplifies the process of creating professional, ready-to-share documents, making them perfect for project submissions, approvals, and record keeping. It also lets you export design load references with graphical outputs for a clear visual presentation. To add load diagrams, go to the ETABS file, set it to 3D view, then navigate to the Reaction tab and select the DL1 case for dead load. Click Apply, then press Windows plus Shift plus S to capture a screenshot of the dead load. Return to the program, go to the Insert Diagram tab, and click Paste under the dead load section. Repeat this process for DL2 to capture the super dead load, taking a screenshot and pasting it in the super dead load section within the Insert Diagram tab. Finally, return to ETABS and select LL1 for the live load. Take your screenshot and paste it under the live load section. These visual references provide a comprehensive view of the load distribution on the footing, enhancing clarity for documentation and review. To finalize and export your report, go to the Export tab and select Export to PDF. This feature compiles all design data, load references, and graphical outputs into a single, organized PDF document. It's ideal for project submissions and ensures that all critical information is clearly presented and ready for sharing or printing. Finally, AS Structures allows you to add additional design tabs to create separate designs for multiple footings. You can easily navigate through each design tab to review, modify, and finalize individual footing layouts, making it flexible for projects with varied foundation requirements. This feature streamlines multi-footing projects, keeping everything organized in one place. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has helped you get started with AS structures and explore its powerful design features.